Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a satisfying video of slime, so let's get to it.
With Pampers Easy Ups, they'll see a stretchy waistband. You'll see Pampers Superior Protection, and you'll both see an easy way to underwear. Pampers Easy Ups.
What's that?
Well, this is my equation for success. I've developed the 4 P's: politeness, patience, practice, and promotion.
Schick Hydro Silk. Designed for ultra closeness. With proven to hydrate your skin even after you shave. Schick Hydro Silk. For your skin.
So soft.
Mascara that's creating all the
It's like really soft.
Mascara. A feathery soft lash experience. Voluptuous volume. Intense length. New Lash Paradise.
Sorry,
Take your
cuz.
lashes to paradise. New Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal Paris.
Plasma tablets can take 6 hours to work. Fleet Liquid Glycerin Suppositories, the start of fast relief.
Introducing Lean 13 from Nutrisystem. Lose up to 13 pounds
Focus.
in your first month, guaranteed.
Go to Nutrisystem.com right now and get new NutriCrush bars to crush cravings free and Turbo Shakes to bust belly bloat free. Lose up to 13 pounds and 7 inches overall in your first month. Lose weight fast with Lean 13 from Nutrisystem.
Your first 13 pounds, gone.
Visit Nutrisystem.com and get new Lean 13 with bars and shakes free.
There's this part.
I'm the nicest people you will ever meet. Here, Nino, we have to plan for our future.
You're still single after being on The Bachelor.
He's anything but quiet.
I don't want to go out with you because you're just too critical.
Tough love never felt so good. Don't miss the all-new season of $1 Million Matchmaker. Premieres Friday at 10, 9 Central on WeTV. Set your DVR.
Nobody wants to go on television and say, I was duped. They do it because they think it's the right thing to do. I really hope we give victims justice.
All right, let's go. Listen up. I don't think that Lily is Maddie yet. I just think that we had a glimpse into her life, and it was amazing. I was proud of her. It was her first time doing something like that. So, Yolanda, you seem like you're not happy for Lily.
Who's to say that I'm not?